YouTube, so I'm opening up my new package. It's a, what is it called again?
Higgy bun.
Higgy Bun. These scissors don't work so well.
Just tear them along the side so you don't break what's inside. Do you know what to do?
How do I just...
Be really careful.
So today, YouTube, I'm going to be opening
Be really careful,
my new
baby.
package.
Can I help you real quick?
I can just rip it open like this.
What's inside? Who's in there?
Big! So YouTube,
I'll take these things.
here it is!
Who is it?
She has a scar in the back.
What?
Look, she has a scar.
She had surgery?
She has stitches.
She had surgery too.
And here it is, YouTube. Thanks, guys.
Sign off. Say bye.